Wala naman. Wala naman. Ay, mali.
Nadawaya tayo dyan.
Bakit? Ano, naka-sealed pa?
Oh, they are waving at the
Okay. Bye-bye.
Sorry, no present.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye!
Ay, dapat pala binaba ako yun.
Bye-bye, Miss Tislet!
Wonderful. Naibaba yung... Sunod ba rin siya?
Umakot.
Be careful.
Bibigay tayo, ah. Halika na.
Baka maano itong isang to. Kumasabay.
Ayan, landahan. Baka
A tricycle, 2 of them. Wow. Bye-bye!
Ito po. Ito yung bahay niya, oh.
May kaya, big time.
Tsaka itong isang to, malaki. Up and down pa eh.
Big time squatter yan. Big time squatter yan. Ayaw magbayad ng tax naman. Wala namang yan.
Oh, up and down, no?
Puro bakod-bakod lang yung mga yan.
Dinaig yung bahay natin, Papa, sa babataas. Tsaka mas malaking lote yan.
Bayad ng tax naman.
Oops, oops, oops.
Oh, be careful.
Ito, malaki.
Ginagawa pa lang.
Bye-bye!
Oh, man. Kung...
Hindi kong papasok.
May konti kasi dito eh. Itong mga anak kasi yung naiingit pag yung mga kulot ang binibigay.
Can you close the window?
Yeah. They're making their own roads.
Look, look at the view.
Nice, take a
Sila
picture.
yata ng trabaho.
Picture, not video.
Magalaw eh. Iba na yan eh.
Parang ano ba tawag dito? Yung bibigay sa kanila yung ano, lalo silang tatrabaho.
Ayan, yung detachment. Saan ang punta niyo, Papa?
So, doon ka pa no?
Ikot man lang siya, tapos magpa-spa mo siya. Mamaya. Doon na kayo mag-dinner. Tsaka late na. Late na kayo.
Sino yung sponsor ng politiko dito? Politiko dito. Makuha yung boto dito. Malaki din naman yung voting. Dami rin mo saan sila. Dami na yung mga kita eh.
How was your experience with the ITAS, Kurt?
Oh, those eyes. That was
They're
just
so
wonderful.
excited.
Yeah. And they're so
Especially
shy,
with the presses,
too.
yeah. The presses.
They were so shy, you know, they look at you and then they go...
You're hiding.
Yeah, they're the same as Aborigines.
Oh, Aborigines are like that?
Oh, very much. I'm not, hang on. The ones that still live in the bush, they would be like that.
Oh.
But most of them live in camps and husbands come home, or fathers come home drunk and beat them, and it's not very
Really?
nice. Not very nice, no.
The Aitas are also discriminated, but they're now criminal. But
The problem is the drink.
Yeah.
Have a drink.
They drink, yeah.
You drink a lot.
The Aborigines.
Where do they get that? The liquor? They make
They
it
get the
their
pension
own?
and they go and buy.
They have pensions. Our Aitas don't have pensions.
Oh.
No, hang on, only some Aborigines have pensions. But now that the land is going back to the Aborigines, some of them are getting quite wealthy.
Matapangan lang muna dito eh. Bakod ka.
So now the wealth divide is also starting.
So now, some of them have the money to buy.
Some of them. They're now thinking of building casinos and that.
Really?
Yes, they own Cockatoo Tourist Resort. Cockatoo, it's a big 2,000 square mile park.
Kung gugustuhin ko lang, di ganitong namimigay kami.
Crocodiles and all those sorts of things are in there, and they build a great big hut looking like a crocodile.
Kabagis po siya.
And they own that now, so that's a big tourist attraction. And there's wild buffalo and crocodile, and there's the pelicans and the ibis and all those birds, they flock in there by the hundreds of thousands.
Todas na ako
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Meron ako
It's very
pamana
nice.
sa mga anak ko.
Oh, so you've been there?
Ay, tiis
No.
from now.
Not
Yung
But on
kapias
TV.
na, nandoon na.
And the other thing is the Aborigines now have mining rights.
What again the name of the place? The one that you're talking about with all
Cockatoo National Park. It's
Okay, I'm gonna
probably
Google it.
most likely a native name. Like the town I come from is Maui, but in Aborigine it's translated into swamp town. And in the long time, it was all swamp.
Oh. So water and
Swerte itong mga nakauna dito.
Well, it was wetlands.
Dadaan ka
but
naman
now there are developments on that
Oh.
area.
Well, there's all the big power stations there now.
Ito kasi yung daanan ng NPA nun. Ito rin dito sa forest. Dahil na yung bundok. Tapos meron gap yan.